Dogecoin looks like it came down and found support at 0.1488 approximately. We got some support right here, support. The main thing that I was watching is this resistance line going to the downside right here. We had resistance, giving me a trend line going to the downside. We got a little bit of resistance right here, but eventually we broke through it going sideways. What I was doing is watching the top and then watching the bottom with these two trend lines right here, and I was thinking if we break to the upside or to the downside, then that'll give me a better idea of whether we're continuing to go down or if we're gonna break to the upside and start reversing. And it does look like we broke to the upside. In my last video, I was watching this channel pattern, something like this. We broke that going to the downside, right? Sorry, one second. We broke that going to the downside right here. What I was doing is targeting from the top to the bottom of this channel pattern. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. I was also watching one on the 4 hour, but we got support on this, and it looks like that other target's not in play. Right now, I still have a limit order set at 139, but I'm not so confident on it right now, and now that we got support. But anyways, we had a target from the top to the bottom of this channel. We dragged that to the breakout, and I was looking at a target of around 14773. We basically came down, hit that target, and then got a bounce. I wasn't actually playing off this target, but I was looking at that channel pattern, and I was targeting off that. I was thinking that could be the first target, and then I had a bigger channel pattern that I was also looking at. But like I said, we got support on this, and it looks like we're changing direction right now. The other thing that I was watching, like I said, is the top and the bottom. We broke that going to the upside. What I was doing also after that is targeting or dragging from the top to the bottom of that channel pattern, dragging to that breakout, and that's giving me a target of around 1230, which we are breaking already. I'm kind of thinking that we might be going back to this Fibonacci retracement level sitting at 1558. Yeah, like I said, I thought we were going to come down to 139 and 145 and some of these other levels, but turns out I don't know, for right now, as far as what the trends are saying, we had a downtrend, we broke that going to the upside. Now we're on this uptrend right here. Let me show you what I'm looking at. We have support, giving me an uptrend going to the upside like this. As long as we're on this uptrend, then maybe we can go higher. If we break this uptrend going to the downside, then we can start looking at targets going to the downside again. But for right now, it looks like we're moving to the upside. I'm kind of wondering if we're going to go back to this Fibonacci retracement level. I think that might be my next target is 1556. If we could break through this, though, I think that would be really good for the price. I think we'd probably go, I don't know, I'm not sure what target. I would want to kind of see how it develops. For right now, though, I'm just looking at the trends. We had a downtrend, broke that going sideways. Excuse me. And then we had a channel pattern. We broke that going to the upside. Now we're looking at this uptrend like this. Let's see how far we can move that right. Let's see how long this will ride going to the upside. That's why we watch these trends. I was watching these Fibonacci retracement levels, but we also watch the trends because that gives us an idea if we're not going to come down and hit our targets and possibly change direction. Like right here would be, I don't know, I kind of did a small little position right here. Let's see how far it'll go up to the upside. I still have my limit orders, like I said, down here. But yeah, let's see how far it'll go up. I'm kind of looking at this area right here. The Fibonacci retracement is sitting at 1556. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I guess I wasn't right about these limit orders so far. But let's see if it kind of falls. Let's see if it comes up here and then falls back down again. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think, though. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to watch the last video, click right here. And I'll see you in the next one.